Hi there, this is Jillian at Bliss Crystals, and today I'm going to teach you about smudging, which is the ancient technique of using sacred smoke to cleanse. You can cleanse yourself, you can cleanse your space, and you can also cleanse crystals. So recently I've been telling a lot about how to cleanse crystals in other ways like water and moonlight and sunlight, and the sage smoke or Palo Santo smoke or incense smoke is a very safe way to clean any crystal. Any crystal is very safe to use with this technique, so when in doubt, use sage smoke. So many people favor this technique. It smells wonderful. Now you want to also open your windows if you start to burn some sage or Palo Santo, because it does tend to get very smoky. So make sure you're opening up your windows, because you might set your smoke detectors off if you don't do that. So you can do smudging whether it's night or day, and it really sets the sacred tone of a space. So you want to use a fireproof shell, like an abalone shell or some type of incense holder, like a porcelain dish or a glass dish, something that's not going to get stained or ruined. That's why we prefer the abalone shells. Next, you are going to, what I like to do is light a candle, and it makes it much easier for relighting the sage, as it will tend to go out, especially Palo Santo tends to go out very quickly. So you want to light a candle first, and then you will hold your incense or sage bundle or Palo Santo over the flame, and just let it catch fire for a brief moment, and then blow it out. So once you have enough smoke, what you want to do first is cleanse yourself. So make sure yourself and your body, your aura, your area is cleansed and clear. So make sure you're holding your dish. Actually, sometimes what you can do is hold the little bundle in the same hand as the sage, okay? Then you can take a type of feather smudger wand. This is a really pretty ornate one that we happen to have here at Bliss Crystals. And you're just going to fan the sage bundle. You're going to fan it all the way around yourself. If you're standing up, turn in directions. You can also get the bottoms of your feet to be very thorough. And then you will go through all the corners of your room. So if you're cleansing your house, you can start at the front door and then go in a counterclockwise direction, because counterclockwise is basically clearing energy. Clockwise is bringing energy in. So you want to clear out the energy. So going in counterclockwise direction from the front door of your house, go to all the corners of each room and go upstairs, do the upstairs, do the closets. That's just a basic cleansing. You can also, if you can go around the outside of your house, do the outside of the house as well. So then you can bring the sage over to the stones and just fan the smoke onto them. Like so. So as you are saging, you want to visualize the smoke as a vehicle for your intention. So the intention is to clear and cleanse. So something I like to say as I am cleansing the stones is, cleansed and clear, may only good remain right here. It's a wonderful little rhyme, and it just kind of helps you keep that intention in mind, that you're cleansing out any negative energies, any unwanted energies. And then you can also add chanting or a prayer, just kind of like the example I gave you, or any type of prayer, or maybe a Native American prayer or intention or song or chant along with that. If you want to take it a step further, you can first honor the directions. You can east and air, south and fire, west and water, north and earth, and center and spirit, as a way to honor the elements and the directions of life. And then I will give you an example of a wonderful prayer that you can use too. May this sacred sage smoke wash away and cleanse any negativity, malevolent spirit, harm, or painful memory from this person, crystal, and space. May this sacred smoke spiral to the heavens with my prayers for healing, kindness, love, health, forgiveness, prosperity, right living, and the best things in life for all. So be it. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I wish you many, many cleaning and clearing experiences, and clear out the old and bring in the new. Many crystal blessings. Bye now.